Hey friends, let's check back in with our caterpillars. They have been so busy. They are eating up so much of the food from the bottom and getting fatter and moving all around. So get out your journals. Observe these caterpillars. You might want to watch the video and then pause, watch it again and pause on a good spot for you to be able to draw all 5 of them. And notice how some of them are fatter than others, longer than others. They seem to be super happy though. That's awesome. They're growing. Keep it up, little caterpillars. Eat away. And we'll check back in. We have our own virtual classroom laboratory. We're observing biology, right? Who are we like? We're like Eugenie Clark and Jane Goodall, scientists. Keep exploring nature and have fun.